Eating breakfast, baby bear? 10 months old now. Yep, in just a couple months it'll be your birthday. Yeah. Don't throw it. Don't drop it. You won't get another one. Oh. Oh. What now? You ready to go play? Would you eat some more cereal if I let you get it with your hands? You want some? No. All right. Let me clean it up. Let me get something to clean you up. Here we go. Wow, I'm gonna need a hose, I think. How does one sweet little boy get so messy? Huh? How do you do it? How do you do it in just 5 short minutes? Say bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye. 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 Come on, you can do it. Bye-bye. Good job.